Union Public Transport Minister, heavyweight from Nagpur, RSS darling, a man who served as a public works minister in Maharashtra, and now he is the public works minister for last 11 years of the country. Mr. Nitin Gadkari created a sensation by saying that the opposition has offered him to be the prime minister of this country. Being a person, being a journalist, for having nearly 4 decades of experience, I have a simple question. If at all any opposition has given such offer, Mr. Gadkari should at least give some hint. Okay, he will say, why should I tell you the names? Okay, at least give the hints. Who was the opposition leader who gave that hints? Because from 2014 to 2019, opposition were not at all in a position to make any changes in the government. From 2019 to 2024, more or less the same situation existed. This time, as the BJP fell short by 32 to get a simple majority, that gap was filled by Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu. So where comes Mr. Nitin Gadkari? Who was that opposition? Or is it that just something what Mr. Gadkari was told by his mentor, Mr. late M.G. Vaidya, that he will be next after Atal Bihari and Advani when he became the party president? And Mr. Gadkari started thinking like that from 2010, since the day he became prime minister till the time he got down from the, since the day he became the party president in 2010 and till the time he got down as the party president in 2013. He started thinking like that yes, he will be the next prime minister. But a time came in front of the clout of Mr. Modi, Mr. Nitin Gadkari was waved away and he had to welcome Mr. Modi by taking a mala, motiyon ki mala, and to welcome Mr. Modi. It had happened. And he welcomed Mr. Modi as the prime ministerial candidate. Well, in this situation, then who was that opposition? Who were the opposition who were ready to make Mr. Nitin Gadkari as the prime minister? Mr. Gadkari will not divulge. He will never give the hint. Then is it that something he wanted it to happen? And so he just saying the same thing in front of the media. Okay, there were people that they were ready to make me, but it didn't. But actually this is what was cooking in his mind. I think it's like that. The question is, if at all you are the prime ministerial candidate, the prime ministerial candidate, what is my observation, is generally gets the portfolios on par with home, defense, foreign affairs or finance. But Mr. Nitin Gadkari, who started just constructing the famous Mumbai-Pune highway, that's where he starts, and now he's constructing only Mumbai-Delhi. Beyond that, he is not going. So how he could be the prime ministerial candidate? Secondly, this may be the far-fetched, but I am giving my opinion. BJP, or rather the Sangha Parivar, so far has given the Dalit and the tribal president. In 2027, that is after 3 years, nearly 3 years, the presidential elections are due, and by that time, Mr. Modi will definitely complete 75. And my prediction, my own observation is that the BJP will cautiously implement that a 75 person who has crossed 75 will not be in the position like prime minister and chief minister, whatever. But simultaneously, he can be the governor also. So, Mr. Modi may get shifted as the prime ministerial candidate, and after a Dalit and the tribal, there will be OBC president from Sangha Parivar in 2027. But even despite this, even that is what my prediction, that this may happen. But even if at all this happens, The Prime Minister will be Rajnath Singh and not Nitin Gadkari, and Nitin Gadkari may be pacified to be just the Deputy Prime Minister. Nitin Gadkari will never become the Prime Minister of India. I don't know how he has got this hint, and so today he tried to create a sensation. Anyway, thanks a lot. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. The subscribers have reached over 500. Dhanyavad.